Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix when you cannot download a PlayStation 4 game to your PlayStation. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So when you're trying to download a PlayStation 4 game, are you getting some sort of error where it says you cannot download the game? Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix that with multiple tips coming up. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 4, let's go up to settings and select X on this. Now go to account management and then go to activate as your primary PS4 and make sure you have your PlayStation 4 set to your primary. So activate it under this window, then back out and then go to restore licenses. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring down below, and this may take like 1 or 2 minutes to go ahead and do. So now that we activate our primary PS4 and restore the licenses, let's go back to the home screen. Now, go under Library. Now, you have 2 different sections you can go ahead and view your games. Under Games, right here on the left, if we scroll down, these are all the games currently installed on our PlayStation 4. Now, many times you may see that you have a bunch of games on here and the game you're looking for is not under this list. What you want to go ahead and do is go down to the purchased section located here. As you can see, I have 393 games under this section and only 31 games under my game section. So look under the purchase section for the game you're looking for. Otherwise, go up to search and type it in manually, like Minecraft. And it will bring you directly to the game if you have the entire search library selected. So now let's go ahead and back out under this section. And then go to the top and let's go back to settings. Now let's go down to network and say this is a network issue. Let's go to set up internet connection. Now, use Wi-Fi or LAN. LAN cable is going to be a much more quicker and reliable connection. Let's go to LAN cable and then go to custom. Then go to automatic for IP address setting. Do not specify for DHCP hostname. Then go to manual for DNS setting. Then for the primary DNS, let's go ahead and type in 8.8.8.8. Press R2 and done. Then go down and type in 8.8.4.4 for the secondary DNS. Press R2 and done. And this will be the Google Open DNS server. And this one may be a little bit quicker and more reliable for you. So let's go ahead and go to next. Go to automatic for the MTU settings. Do not use for a proxy server. And test the internet connection. And just go ahead and verify you have a successful connection and check out your download speed and your upload speed. Now let's go ahead and back out of this screen and go back to settings and then go down to storage. Now, many times I run into issues where I go ahead and try to download a game, but I cannot download it because I simply don't have enough storage. Some of the more bigger games like Call of Duty Warzone, I'm going to need much more free space than is actually available for the game download. So I try to keep at least 50 gigabytes to 100 gigabytes of free space available in case there is a really large update. So make sure you have enough free space available, otherwise you won't be able to download the game. So get rid of the games you do not play anymore. Now let's hold down the PlayStation button and then go to turn off PS4, and we're going to put our PlayStation 4 into the safe mode menu and rebuild the database. So let's go to turn off, preparing to turn off PS4. Okay, so now with our PlayStation 4 completely turned off, what we want to do is hold down the power button and we will hear one beep initially, and then about 10 seconds later we will hear a second beep. Then go ahead and let go. So I heard the second beep. Now our PlayStation 4 will start into the safe mode menu. Now take a USB to micro USB cable and plug it into the front USB slot and then plug in your PlayStation controller. Then you should be seeing a screen where it says you have to press the PlayStation button on your TV. So let's press the PlayStation button on our controller, and now we will be able to operate the safe mode menu. Now let's go down with the D-pad to rebuild a database, option number 5. And it says it may take a few hours, but in my experience only takes a few minutes. So let's go to OK. And it's going to restart our PlayStation 4. So that is normal. And when it reboots, it's going to bring us to a screen where it's going to give us an estimated amount of time. So for me, it's going to take about 4 or 5 minutes to rebuild the database. And after this is complete, our PlayStation 4 will start up normally. Go ahead and check your game library once again under the purchase section and see if your game is now displaying in there. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.